So you want to start an online business where people can carry out tasks, they can complete tasks and get paid. Now, let me introduce you to our latest script, TaskStream. With TaskStream, people can watch videos, complete their task, and get paid. Now, the good aspect of this is they can watch videos from multiple platforms like YouTube, TikTok videos, Instagram, and from Facebook. So now these kind of videos are daily tasks for them. This is the front end. This is the landing page. Everything is built for your consumption, and the UI UX is amazing. Now, these are the features: video tags, top social media platform, subscription plan, wallet balance, flexible deposit, withdrawals, referral system, KYC verification, etc. Now, the dashboard is awesome. Everything is amazing. The simple step is just for you to register, subscribe, watch our complete tasks, verify your KYC, and withdraw. As simple as that. So you can see videos from YouTube, you can see videos from TikTok, you can see videos from, all this platform. This is the referral system, how the referral system work, and this is amazing. So let me quickly log into the user dashboard. It's a PWA system. It's a PWA system. So I'll just log into the user dashboard so you see how the user dashboard looks like. Now, when you log in, this is how your user dashboard is going to look like. Like I said, it's a portable web application. So this is your user dashboard. Then you get to see your videos that are available. Now, all you need to do is create an account. All the user need to do is create an account, subscribe to a plan, and start earning according to your plan. That is how you will see videos. So meaning if your plan is, if you come to a plan, if you are subscribing to 0.37 cent plan, and the plan is for 7 days, 30 days, and you have to watch 2 videos every day. So if you activate this plan, you are just to watch 2 videos. So if you don't have funds yet, you come and click on add funds, and you select how much you want to deposit. We have multiple stream of payment. We have automatic. Now, if you click on automatic, we have Paystack and Flutterwave. If you click on manual, we have bank transfer and crypto. So let's say you want to use bank transfer, you just click on continue. Then the system will generate the bank transfer details for you, and you make your payment and you send proof of payment. Now, immediately admin approves it, your money will be deposited on your system. Now, the good aspect of this is here, you can as well change your currency. So you can decide to say, okay, you're in Africa, you're in Nigeria, or you're in any part of the world. You can actually change your currency, and it's going to reflect your currency. Is that okay? So let's go back to dollars. Let's go back to dollars. Now, let's say I've deposited. All I need to do is come and click on task. Then I'll click on start task here. Now, if you click on start task, it's going to take you to the video. So all you need to do is just click on start, and it will play your pause the video. Your time pause. All right. From this place, you see your wallet. You see everything you've done, how much you've earned from your videos. This way, you see it. Now you can decide to withdraw. Yeah. Now, once you click on withdraw for the first time, you are going to verify your account. If you click on withdraw for the first time, you are going to verify your account. So once you submit your KYC and admin approves it, then you can actually withdraw your funds. Is that okay? And once you withdraw your funds, admin is going to approve it. And once you admin approve it, your funds enter your account. So from this place, you get to see people that have withdrawn so far. You say it's live, people that have withdrawn so far. Everything is here. So from your profile, you see your referral system. You see people that have referred. You have referred, and people that have made deposit and they've gotten a plan. So they must make a deposit and buy a plan. So immediately they buy a plan, you get your referral bonus added to your system. You get a 5% referral bonus. If you go back, you can change your password, or you can decide to come and change your currency. You can use a dark mode. Yeah. Then this is your KYC. It will show you if your KYC is approved or not. These are your KYC. Then your subscription plans, you can decide to upgrade to higher plan. So this is the user dashboard. So let me quickly navigate to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. So from the admin dashboard, you get to see everything about the system. Now you get to see the users. From here, you can see your users. You can view your users. All right. Now, once you click on the user, you can actually view your users. You can see their wallets. You can see the tasks they've done before. You can see their withdrawals. You can see their notifications. You can as well edit the user. You can as well suspend the user. So subscription here, this is where you create your subscription plans. You create your subscription plans. Then video tags, this is where you add your videos here. Now from this place, you can decide to add your videos from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo. So all you need to do is just to drop the link of the video here. Or if you decide to upload your own video, you just click on this place, upload a video, what is duration for the video, the tax duration, the minimum watch hour, then how much are they earning per views. Then where is this video assigned? You can assign it to all the plans, or you can assign it to just maybe Platinum, etc. Now these are your earning logs. You get to see earning logs. This is withdrawals requests. You get to see people who send requests. This is KYC verification. People who want to withdraw, they'll first of all verify their KYC. This is where you see all deposits. Yeah, this is where you see all deposit, that you can approve the deposit or you can actually reject the deposit. Then this is where you get to see all notification of the system. Then this your referral system. This is where you set your referral system. You set your referral bonus. You get to see people that are referred and people who refer them. Then advertisement. Now this advertisement here, if you enable this advertisement, let me enable it. I created an ad here. If I enable it and I come back to this very system here, if I come back to this very system and I refresh it, you see that my advert is going to show. This is my advert showing sponsored. So if I go back and I disable it, so it's going to disappear from this system. So meaning you can as well be running ad for people. You can as well be running ad for people. I've talked about referral. Then this is where you see your reports. Then your settings. This is where you change the name of the site, the tagline, the support system, the application URL, the colors. Then you get to set the minimum withdrawal and the maximum, the minimum deposit and the maximum. This is where you set your email setup. This is where you change, you set your default currency. What's the default currency? And this is where you set your currency rate. Is that okay? You set your currency rate, and this is where you change your logos. So this system is awesome. This system is amazing. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this system in case you purchase this script from us. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you or tell you how you can make money from this system if you purchase this very script.